The 2022 Ferrari 296 GTB is an exotic sports car that represents a new era for the Italian automaker, one that revolves around a V6 engine and hybrid technology. While both features are rare among Ferrari's long history of road cars, they each have been employed in the company's racing campaigns. On the GTB, which stands for Gran Turismo Berlinetta, a combined 819 horsepower comes from a mid-mounted turbocharged V6 and an electric motor that's sandwiched between the engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. All that power is sent solely to the rear wheels, which when combined with the 296 GTB's compact size and relatively lightweight construction should make for a hugely entertaining machine. Its beautiful bodywork and fashionable cabin look to make it a show-stopping piece as well. The 2022 296 GTB is an all-new, plug-in hybrid model in Ferrari's portfolio, which already includes the plug-in SF90 Stradale and Spider. Look for the GTB to start the trend of Ferrari models with smaller displacement engines and hybrid integration as the automotive landscape begins to further embrace electrification. Behind the cockpit of the 296 GTB is a turbocharged V6 that pairs with a plug-in hybrid system. Together the gas engine and electric motor combine to produce 819 horsepower that's sent exclusively to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The GTB is also capable of driving on electricity alone on power drawn from a 6.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack located under the floor. Its 8,500 revolution per minute redline provides a visceral driving experience, as we learned during our first drive. We also experienced its exhilarating acceleration and the ability to easily probe the limits of its lofty performance. Along with 4 drive modes e-drive, hybrid, performance, and qualify that provide ascending performance characteristics, the 296 GTB features electrically assisted power steering and a brake-by-wire system. If you want lighter wheels than the standard twin-spoke forged units, a set of rims made of carbon fiber are available. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.